Hi there, welcome to Coding Scrap. I'm Anaya and today in this video we are going to know how to use sensing blocks, how to use mathematical operators and how to compare values. Firstly, let's drag out the when green flag clicked. Now the sensing category in the blocks palette is light blue in color. If you click that, you'll get these types of blocks. So this block, ask and wait block, is used to prompt the user to type input using the keyboard. In simple words, you can say this block is used to ask any question, and this answer block is used to store the keyboard input. Means it's going to give you a keyboard type of thingamajig on the screen. You have to type the answer, enter, and there you go, your answer is there. Now let's make a small project using these blocks to understand more deeply. Let's put this ask and wait block inside the green flag, and instead of what's your name, okay, let it be what's your name. Now from the looks category, drag out say for 2 seconds block. Instead of saying hello, we have to put the answer block inside it so that we can give the answer. Full screen, and let's see how that goes. What's your name? Enter. Anaya. Okay. Now you can either press the enter key or you can take that check mark. So let's try that again. Anaya. And this time let's do the check mark. Okay. Yeah, so wasn't that fun? It's like you're the user and you're interacting with your sprite in Scratch. Now let's see how to use mathematical operators in Scratch. So just below sensing category, you will see the operators. They are like green in color. Now we are going to explore the first 4 blocks for now. This plus sign, this block has a plus sign, means it is used for addition. The block with the minus sign is used for subtraction. The block with the star sign is used for multiplication, and the block with the slash sign is used for division. Alright, now let's make a small project using these. So go to events category and drag out when green flag clicked. Now let's make a sprite say the answer of any simple addition. So from the looks category, drag out say hello for 2 seconds, and instead of hello, instead of hello, let's make it say the answer of 2 plus 2 is equal to. Okay. Now we have to make the sprite say 2 plus 2's answer. So for that, let's drag out only the say block, and let's take out the plus addition block. Inside, let's try 2 plus 2. No need for minus, slash and multiplication. Let's see how that goes. The answer of 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, let's give it another bigger problem to solve. And let's use division this time. Firstly, we have to remove that. Okay, let's see how that goes. The answer of this division, whoa. Now that was a really accurate division. If you're not sure about it, you can either check from your calculator or either check by dividing it yourself. But I'm sure, 100% sure that the answer is correct, whatever it's saying. Now let's know how to compare values in Scratch. So these 3 blocks you can see here, this and this. These blocks are used for comparing values. Now let's see how it goes. False. And that was the answer. Okay, cool. So yeah, that was just how you can use sensing blocks, mathematical operators, and that's also how you can compare values in Scratch. So keep coding, keep scratching. Bye for now.